Apparently the newest thing in fashion is Tomato Girl Summer. But I just find this trend name so funny. The thing is, my mother generously invited me to go on a sailing trip with her. So I think this is the best scenario to try and tackle this new trend. I already packed. It's only like, it's a 2-day trip. It's not much. I packed some things that I feel like could fit this kind of trend, but I don't have much because I think it revolves, first of all, there's a lot of red in it, and I just do not have red stuff. That's a conversation for another day. I painted my hair pink and I was like, no more red. There's a reason for it. It's a wrong reason, but it's a reason. Anyway, I will pack a bunch of yarn and I'll see what I can do to enhance my little tomato girl aesthetic, and you know, put some outfits together and see what I can do. So first things first, the reds. I have a few reds. My problem is I famously only have thin yarn because I usually work on a knitting machine. And I cannot do anything fast with thin yarn. And this is a 2-day vacation trip. And I want to make something in these 2 days. Bikini yarn. And that's fun. I don't think one of these is enough for a bikini. But maybe I can take 2 of these. I just have a random tote bag. I think I should make a new bag. Maybe do like one of those cute beach bags, tote bags. This is jute and it's not good for like body stuff, but I want to make a hat with it. Imagine if I managed to crochet like a nice little like beach hat with this one. A bikini yarn in white. I don't think I'm going to do more than 1 bikini sets in 2 days. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to do one, but this is for like, maybe I can add a little something to the red, you know? Simple, cotton, white. Maybe I can do a beach cover up. I absolutely adore my overachieveness. Truthfully, before I started filming this earlier in the morning, I had it in my mind that I was going to like DIY everything that I was going to pack. I'm literally leaving in like 8 hours. I think that's too little. Like, being realistic, I'm not even gonna use half of what I already packed. But who's realistic these days? Okay, just a recap. I don't have any plans except that I want to make something Tomato Girl inspired, and I want to make a hat. And I'm taking bikini yarn. I should take a lining. I have this little bit of fabric that is supposed to be bikini lining, so I'm gonna take this just in case. 3 bikini yarns plus the lining. Yarns that are really thin, but they kind of match. 2 different shades of red, and this one really is tomato red in my opinion, and like a gold kind of colored. A white cake of yarn for some clothing thing, the jute for hat, and maybe, just maybe, a little bag. Who knows? There are scissors here and tapestry needles as well. All of the essentials are packed. I'll see you in the car.
Good morning, guys. So it's the next morning since I talked to you guys, but I filmed a lot yesterday. I didn't really want to talk in the camera because I'm in someone else's boat. I didn't want to ask for them to stop the music. I was shy. I was I don't really want to talk to the camera, but I made a lot of progress. So I started this yesterday in the car, and basically it's a hat, and I did a magic circle and I just started going around. So I did, I think, 14 double stitches, and then I did double that for the top, and then I did double that. Then I thought it was too wobbly, so I did less than double and I just started growing it. So the thing is, this is where I started to do this part of the hat. When I did this, I just didn't grow at all. I did the same amount of stitches for the whole thing. But the thing is, this is too big for my head. And I think if I use this round part over here, so if I fold it here, it will be better for my head. So I'm faking a fold here. And I think maybe when I finish this, I think I'm crying mascara. I'm not sad. My eyes are watery. I want to fold here so that it has a smaller round part for the head. And then when I thought it was high enough, I started doing treble or triple crochets to do the rim, and I started doubling them. So every 2 stitches I added an extra one. So it was 1 treble and then 2 trebles in the next stitch, and then 1 and then 2 and then 1 and then 2, all the way around. And then for the next one I doubled it again. For the 4th one, I think this is going to be the last one, I'm doing 1 treble, 1 chain, 1 treble, 1 chain, and it's turning out cute. Now, this is not what I envisioned. I want to be very honest. I wanted something different. Let me do a thumbnail. So I had never done a hat. I didn't have a pattern. I didn't even get pictures of what I wanted before. I just have it in my mind. I'll just try to find pictures of what I want. So this is good for, the resources, the mental resources that I had. Also, I just want to say something. I really don't know why I hammered on the tomato girl aesthetic in the beginning of this video. I think I was just really tired. What is tomato girl aesthetic and what is it in the context of this video? Absolutely nothing. Yesterday, my look was really, let's just say, conservative. I don't know why that skirt gives me vibes of I need to cover up, and I usually don't want to cover up, but it was kind of cold, and I was just I'm gonna use this skirt because it's comfortable, because the shorts that I brought, they're jeans, they're not that comfortable. So the looks are lacking in this video. The scenario is good. The looks, I mean, today's alright. It says beach cover up. I'm wearing this bikini that is not covering up very well, and my hat. I kind of feel like I want to do a scallop edge for some reason. Maybe I will do that, and it will take me a bit longer, but I will finish this in the morning, and then I'll try to see if I can do the bikini. I actually wanted to do a little ribbon to tie here on the hat, but that's before the hat became a glorified bucket hat. Because I want it to be more structured. If I crocheted a cute little ribbon, that would be cute. But for this, I don't know if it's gonna be cute. Anyway, I'm finishing this right now, and I'll catch up. So I'm doing this scallop edge, and I think I'm gonna do it. I was I don't know if I should, because it's a little extra, but I think I'm doing it. Look, I think it looks cute, doesn't it? I'm finishing this, and after this, I think I might be able to do the bikini, because it's early in the morning. I think it's now 8 or 9, and I think I might be able to do the bikini, and that's it. I won't be able to do anything else, but Can I tell you a secret? I haven't applied sunscreen yet. I'm sorry. I should, because it's starting to burn. But like, I'm not against sunscreen. It's weird that we aren't able to cope with the sun, in my opinion. But I need to apply it. Welcome to the cabin. I thought I would do a little conversation segment, but I don't think the sound is ideal for that. It's very floppy, but I kind of like it. As I said, I think it's a glorified bucket, and I wanted more of like a straw hat. So, alright, so I never crocheted a bikini or really done anything with this yarn. I did this chain that's kind of under boob size, and I did a single crochet around it. And now what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it, and I'm going to start going like this. So I'm going to do a row of double crochet, and then I'm going to turn it here and go here. So I'm going to do this, and I think that's going to like shape my bikini. I don't know. I have no idea. I've never done this. Alright friends, a few bad news. First of all, the sun, it went away. Like, it's still day. It's not even like sunset time. It's just that there's too many clouds. It feels like it's going to rain, which is upsetting. But regardless, I'm actually leaving in half an hour, and this is all I have for my bikini. I don't know what this is. I don't know why I freehanded it, because I actually had a little bit of internet and I could have researched a bikini pattern, but I didn't. I'm leaving the boat and my trip is going to be over. I might do this in the car. Like, I want to finish it, but not for this trip. And like, where is my tomato girl aesthetic photos? They're not happening, because the only thing that I did was this hat and half a bikini, which is sad. Like, we're arriving. I'm about to leave. I need to pack still. But anyway, I want to do the a roll here on the bottom to like even it, and then I have to do the other one. It's a long car trip, so I might still finish it, but not to wear on the boat, not to be pretty on the ocean, because the trip is over and that's upsetting. Also, like, I don't know what I did. I really did freehand it with no rhyme or reason. I did one row of a single, and then I did rows of doubles, and then I started doing randomly like 4. I don't know what a 4 is, like 1 over the treble, and then I did a trebles and then doubles and then singles in the end, and then it started getting this weird shape on top, and I will have to like be looking at it really closely to do the other cup, which is upsetting and annoying, but so it is indeed the end, and all I have is my glorified bucket hat and half a bikini. I'll let you know if I finish it, but this is the end of the video. No cute styling shots with all of the crochet things that I did in a day and a half. I know I am an overachiever. I did say that when I started packing more than 2 cones of yarn. Crocheting non-stop, and also like I didn't have internet for a while, so it was really fun to just like concentrate on crocheting, and then I listened to an audiobook at one point. But anyway, this was really fun. I love my new hat. I love the trip. It was a really fun trip. I think this is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment anything you want to comment down below, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.